Imagine investing a big budget on a wastewater treatment plant, only to find out it doesn't work for your project. Or worse, it costs you way more in maintenance and repairs than you expect. The good news? These mistakes can be avoided if you know what to look for. Here are the 10 most common mistakes when choosing a wastewater treatment plant. 1. Not knowing the water quality you need. Before comparing brands or prices, you must know the discharge or reuse standards your water has to meet. If you don't, you might end up with a plant that simply doesn't work for your project. 2. Choosing only for the lowest price. A low-cost treatment plant may look like a bargain, but in the long run, the cost of maintenance, repairs, or chemicals can be much higher than the initial savings. 3. Forgetting to check available space. Not every plant fits every site. Compact and modular systems like those from Bclear adapt to limited areas without losing efficiency. 4. Ignoring operation and maintenance costs. Buying the plant is just the beginning. Electricity, chemicals, and labor can easily cost more than the plant itself if you don't plan ahead. 5. Not asking about technical support. Installing the plant is only the first step. You need a provider who will support you before, during, and after installation. Otherwise, small issues can turn into big problems. 6. Not verifying standards compliance. Every city and every country has standards that must be met. Ignoring them can result in heavy fines or even shutdowns. 7. Assuming all technologies are the same. Each technology, anaerobic, aerobic, sequential, etc., is designed for specific types of water and goals. Using the wrong one or one without certification reduces efficiency and shortens the plant's life. 8. Not planning for future growth. If your company grows, your treatment plant must grow with it. Make it easier to expand without replacing the whole plant. 9. Not training the staff. Even the best plan won't work well if the people running it don't know how to use it. Proper training ensures efficiency and avoids accidents. 10. Not visiting a plant in operation. Seeing a plant working in real life shows you much more than a brochure or a technical sheet. It helps you understand what you're really buying. At Bclear, every plan is designed with your needs, your budget, and your space in mind, always meeting the standards required. Let us design the right one for you. Contact our team today.